Ben Wong.
I'm Monsi Bora.
Okay, so we're going to ask you some questions about our school's dining plan. So the first question is, if you could change the dining program in any significant way, what would you do?
I would add healthier lunches to the school and have the trays reusable. And then instead of throwing away the trays, they would be able to be washed.
Or maybe like composted, because I know like Jericho has taken steps to make the trays a bit more biodegradable. So maybe we can put it into a school compost to make yeah.
And most of the garbage cans fill up pretty quickly because of the lunch trays. If we had reusable trays, that wouldn't be a problem.
Okay, so what would you change about our school's food waste disposal practices and why?
Well, after going to Brown over the summer, I saw that they had different containers for biological stuff, paper stuff, and like glass and aluminum and whatever. So we should implement that into our school so that we can minimize waste and recycle things more.
Agreed.
Okay, so we're going to ask some questions about our school's dining program. So the first one is, if you could change the dining program in any significant way, what would you do?
The easy, glib answer would be every meal should be the optimal, maximum nutrition for a growing teenage populace that has the perfect balance, the optimal balance of carbohydrate, protein, lipid, with the proper vitamin and mineral supplements, everything optimized for biological efficiency and promotion of health. Okay, that's super easy. Here's the big problem. Somebody could magically whip up whatever concoction or meal that contains that amazing optimal percentage fraction of each nutrient, etc., and do so in a myriad variety of ways, so that there's this enticing variety of colors and foods. The biggest problem with that is if this amazingly perfectly nutritious food is not desired by the palate, the taste buds of the students, that amazingly perfect food is going to rot, not be sold, it's going to waste. Oh, but this is good for you. This is perfect for you. You're actually going to get better grades because your brain is going to be performing better, more optimally, as well as your body. You're quote-unquote fueling your body with the best resources. Doesn't matter if the person doesn't consume those resources because distasteful, scary looking, not used to it, I don't like the way that looks, I don't like the way that feels, I don't like the texture, etc., etc. So that's an extremely tall order. I think for the entire field or discipline of culinary arts, as they call it, is based on let's try to develop nutritious meals, but those that are appealing, enticing, attractive to the consumer. So if I had a magic wand, I would have like the best of those both worlds. Generally delicious to most students, tasty, attractive looking, attractively designed or like put together meals that had for teenagers the optimal balance of nutrients. And different age groups have different optimal percentages. A little more specific, for lipids, fats, there are quote-unquote bad fats, not that healthy, such as saturated fats. Latest research is that medium chain triglycerides, medium chain. So if you look at the picture of a lipid, there's about 14 or 16 carbons, that's a medium chain length, have been shown to have myriad health benefits. One thing that surprisingly scientists, nutritionists didn't realize in the 80s, 90s, even early 2000s was that healthy fats like MCTs, medium chain triglycerides, make people feel full, satiated, so that they're not like over consuming. What doesn't make a person feel full is high simple sugar diet. So consumption of carbs, especially simple carbs, but even complex carbs, can lead to frequently recurrent hunger and even or as great a desire for more carbs and more sugar. So if there's a single thing that I would like decrease, in no way wipe out, just decrease on any menu, it would be the level of simple sugars severely decrease. Sadly, that's the most enticing of all tastes, flavors. Sweetness, right? But even the more complex carbs, I would like replace that with a little more MCT lipids and proteins. That's it. I can't do it. It's too difficult in order, but some group of people, I'm sure, are working on this and striving to achieve the proper balance between desirability and nutrition. It would be great and magical to have both at the same time.